Hi, everyone! In today's video, I will do a tutorial on creating stylized checker patterns in Procreate. First, create a canvas with dimensions of 3000 pixels in height and width and an RGB color profile. Next, go to the wrench tools and turn on the drawing guide. Then, edit the drawing guide, choose Symmetry, select Options, and pick the Quadrant Guide. Ensure the Drawing Assistant is turned on as well. After that, go to the brush icon and select the monoline brush under the calligraphy brush set. Start drawing a diagonal line in one of the quadrants. Turning on the Symmetry tool will help to mirror the line in the other three quadrants. This tool is handy in creating a perfect diamond shape. Draw the diagonal line and hold the pen on the screen until you get a straight line. Once you have the perfect diamond shape, go to the Color tool and drop the black color inside the shape. Make sure it fills up the entire shape. Then, duplicate the black diamond and turn on the alpha lock by using 2 fingers and sliding to the right on the layer. This will ensure you change the color of the diamond shape alone, not the entire canvas. Next, change the background color to light blue to ensure you can see the white diamond shape on top. To create a checker pattern inside the black diamond, duplicate the white diamond twice and move the shapes to the top and bottom sides of the canvas. Turning on the snapping tool will help you move the white diamond equally balanced on the top and bottom sides by referencing the yellow guide line that appears when it snaps to the center and edges. Next, clip the 2 white diamonds into the black diamond below, as you can see on the screen. Now, group all the shapes that you created and rename them as diamond shapes. After that, create a new layer to create a circle shape with the checker pattern inside it. Select a black color, pick the same monoline brush from the calligraphy set, and start drawing. To create a circle with a checker pattern inside, draw a circle and hold the pen and 1 finger on the screen until it snaps to a perfect circle. Slightly adjust the size and move the circle to the center until you see the yellow guideline appear, and snap at the center of the canvas. Then, duplicate the white diamond twice and arrange the shapes on the top and bottom of the canvas, as you did earlier with the diamond shapes. After that, clip the white diamond shapes inside the circle. Now, select all the layers, group them, and rename as circle shapes. For now, you cannot see the circle on top of the diamond shapes. To make it visible, go to the white diamond layer that you clipped on the circle shape, merge it down, and rotate it 90 degrees. Next, group the circle and the diamond shapes, duplicate them, and flatten them. Use this whole shape to create a swatch. Duplicate it 4 times and arrange it in all 4 corners of the canvas. Ensure all the shapes move and snap correctly on the edges by checking the yellow guideline that appears when snapping on the edges. After that, group all the layers, duplicate the swatch 4 times, and check if the swatch is seamlessly repeatable. Make sure all the swatches move and scale down in each of the quadrants by 1500 pixels in width and height. If the pattern repeats seamlessly, then save the swatch to use for printing products like wallpaper, textiles, and many more. I hope this video helps you create a repeat pattern like mine using Procreate. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.